Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin on Binance US. So the first thing you're going to want to do is deposit money into your account. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is deposit money into my account, but you can't do that until you add some sort of payment method. So at the very bottom right, you see that person icon. So we're going to click on that. Okay, here on the screen, you'll see several tabs here. One of the options is linked accounts. So as you can see, I already have a linked account option. I'm going to blur that out just for privacy reasons, but you would hit that plus icon where it says add payment method. So I'm going to click on that. I've clicked on add payment method. So you have several options to adding a way to deposit money onto Binance. You could do ACH, wires, or add a debit card. So after you've done that, go back to the screen that I had before. Now we're under the very center icon where you see that credit card icon. So now, as you can see, my portfolio balance is 0. So I'm going to click on US dollars, and now I'm going to deposit US dollars. So click on that. Okay, now it gives you an option of like how much you want to deposit from your payment method. So the minimum amount you have to deposit onto Binance is $10. So let's type in $10 and preview deposit. So here you see that I am depositing $10 onto my Binance account. It gives you a deposit from, the amount, any fees that you could accrue, and how much I'll receive. So I'll receive the full $10 with this ACH deposit. So I'm going to click on deposit. To prevent risk of chargebacks, note that your ACH deposit can't be withdrawn for 10 days in USD or crypto. Go to wallet. Oh, and look at that. Actually, my US dollars is actually in my portfolio value. Okay, after you deposited money into your account, you're going to go to the second to left tab, which is that bar graph tab. And at the very top, you'll see like favorites, BTC, US dollars S. So this is basically saying like, you know, what currency are you going to be using to purchase Bitcoin? So I have selected USD for US dollars. At the top right, you'll see that magnifying glass. So click on that. And now I'm going to type in Bitcoin. Whoops, if I could actually spell Bitcoin. Okay, so you'll see multiple options here. So you're going to want to click on BTC/USD because we're trying to buy Bitcoin with US dollars. So click on that. And at the very bottom here, you'll see buy and sell. So we're going to click on buy. And here you can see multiple options like to buy Bitcoin with a market order or a limit order. I have a video going over the difference between a market order or a limit order. Quick summary: market order, you choose to buy Bitcoin at its current market price. Limit order, you're going to set a price to actually buy Bitcoin. For example, let's say I wanted to buy Bitcoin at exactly $52,000. You do it via limit order, but for this example, we're just going to be buying Bitcoin via market order. So the best way I found to actually figure out how much Bitcoin you want to buy is go under limit order and just start typing in like random amounts. Like, let's just see here. I'm typing in 0.007. Okay, so at that point, I'd be buying $36 worth of Bitcoin. Let's go with, okay, there we go. So at this point, if I buy 0.0002 worth of Bitcoin, I'll be paying around like $10.50. So let's do that. So our market order going to be purchasing 0002 is what I said, I believe. Yep. Okay. 0.0002. So use the limit tab to actually figure out how much Bitcoin you could buy. And at this point, I'm going to buy 0.0002 worth of Bitcoin. So place buy order. So after that, you back out and click on that very middle tab, which looks like a credit card button, and scroll on down to Bitcoin. And as you can see, I did buy 0.0002 worth of Bitcoin today. So another way to buy Bitcoin on Binance is you can either go to the very middle icon or the far left icon. Either icon that has that yellow button at the top right with the arrows pointing in opposite directions, you could just click on that button and then click on buy crypto with cash. And then at the very top, you just have to select Bitcoin. And for this route, the minimum that you have to buy is, I believe, $20. So you just type in like $20 worth of Bitcoin. Whoops. Type in $20 worth of Bitcoin and then click on preview purchase and then buy your Bitcoin. If this video helped you out, be sure to use my referral link. I also have my referral code on the screen for you to use when you sign up for a Binance account. Definitely helps support the channel. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.